This is the March 2015 curlBOX unboxing video, so here goes. For all those who live in Atlanta, I got the email that they had shipped this on Friday, and I got this on Monday morning, so it's pretty speedy. So that's how the box looks when you get it, barely. And then when you open, so this issue is the How to Stunt box. And here are the products that are inside. Oh, Design Essentials, which is one of my favorite. Bubble wrap. Okay, so it looks like we got 4 full-size products and 2 samples. So the first one is a deep moisture souffle, which I would assume is similar to the Shea Moisture Curl Pudding that we got in the January box. And then we have here an oil mist, coconut and Manoi. A curl refresher, and it's coconut water, which is awesome. The sample is a hydrating leave-in conditioner, and I have that at home. A Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. And the final is Argan Moisturizing Cream. So yeah, that's this month's box.